Hello, my friends from YouTube. You guys, on this short video, I'm going to show you how I apply some little circles to a piece that I was working on, and I realized that I needed something for that big old space that I had on that quilt, and so I went ahead and made some quick little appliques, and I added those appliques to the quilt right on the long arm. That was like a last minute thing that I wanted to add, and I didn't want it to take the quilt off the frame, so I just went ahead and applique those right on the quilt while I was working on the long arm. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Thank you so much for watching. Eventually I'm going to put the entire quilting for this quilt, but for now I'm just going to show you this little piece. Thank you again for watching.